Never see the sun, always see the night, yeah. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Y'all see what's going on right here. We on our pyro vibes today. I'm tapping into a different side of YouTube. This is something that I don't even know if it's gonna make it to YouTube, but if it did and you're seeing this right now, just slap a like button on it, bro. This is something different. Happy 4th of July to each and every one of you out there. This might not even be released on 4th of July, obviously, but if you love fireworks, if you just love having fun, go ahead and slap a like on this video. Right here, we do have a bunch of heat. We actually did go to Philly. I'm not too far. I don't want to say where I'm at. We did go to Philly to cop some of these bangers. We went to Phantom Fireworks, and today I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some of this heat. We got this big tube right here. We got some artillery shells. We got this 500-gram cake. We got some 200-gram cakes, some little whistle boxes. We have a bunch of different pieces. Probably spent around $300-ish. Nothing too expensive. I know fireworks can get expensive, but if you're smart with it, you can come out and get some fire stuff for not too much money. This is probably my favorite one. I'm excited to see this one, the red, white, and boom. We got this pint-sized powerhouse as well. We got the fire base 200-gram, which is actually fire from the video that I saw. Just a bunch of stuff. We got some rockets, some little whistling, little... I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, happy 4th of July. I hope you guys are having fun as well, but without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. We got the Saturn missile. We got 9-shot gunner mates. Right now we're gonna do the mini bomb, which is the artillery shell. We're gonna use this one right here. This is the big boy.
That's big.
So this is red, white, and boom. Firebase Alpha. Oh, we got this pint-sized powerhouse. Gunner mates. I'm really excited about this one. This is Be the King by Patriot. Got Raging Rottweiler. king. Red, white, and boom. Firebase Alpha. This is Wicked Bazaar by Phantom. Got the Rain of Fire by Phantom. So if you guys enjoyed that show of fireworks, go ahead and slap a like button on this video. This is something completely different than anything I do, but just make sure if you did enjoy this, slap a like on it. It does mean a lot. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. I'm sweaty right now, so I'm gonna head out, but I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.